think there will still be an impeachment trial or this is going to be dead in the water?
June 2, malalaman natin kung ano magiging kilos ng Senado. Kasi kausap ko yung mga ibang senator, hindi nila alam eh. Yung mga incumbent, hindi nila alam. Hindi sila nasasabihan. Wala silang caucus, wala silang ganon. So, hindi, pagka nagkukwentuhan kami, nag-uusap kami, sinasabi nila, hindi nila alam kung anong plano. So, makikita natin yan. Pero in the meantime, ako, ibang klase yung problemang nakikita ko na hindi nasisilip ng iba eh. Meron dalawang conflicting rules eh.
Okay.
Doon sa Senate rules at saka sa impeachment rules eh.
Which are?
Oo.
Ang impeachment rules kasi sinasabi that once the impeachment is taken up, or the impeachment court is constituted as one, then kailangan tapusin yung the impeachment trial must end. Although I mean to the end, ganon ano. Ito namang Senate rules, which emanates from the Constitution. Ang Senate emanates from the Constitution. Ang sinasabi ng Constitution din, oras na nag-adjourn sine die ang Senado, lahat ng business doon patay. Kaya nga without day, kaya nga sine die.